Shawty, so I'm an R&B singer. My name is Kcoey Williams. I'm a singer-songwriter. I've known Taz in this situation for a long time. So whenever they start playing the music, we'll start playing. But I would do something real quick, like hey, Mr. DJ, why don't you slow this party down? The ladies in here are polite, and there's one who's caught my eye. I wanna pull her close to me and whisper sweet things in her ears. Ooh, yeah. 'Cause tonight I'm full of fight, baby, baby. And you're the only one my heart desires, baby. Listen, I'm Kcoey, so we're gonna have fun. Are y'all ready to have some fun? DJ, whenever you're ready, I'm ready. This song right here is called Your Love Is. 'Cause I believe that R&B artists tell you what they think you should be. But tonight, ladies, I'm gonna tell you what you really should be. I'm gonna tell you what I think about you. Is that cool? Ladies, is that cool? Okay. You check out my hard bottom shoes on. Y'all better stop playing me. You've heard. Again, like I said, I'm Kcoey. So if I was your man, right, I'd go up to you and be like, listen. For you, I'd swim some, learn the secret language of romance. You enhance my chance of staying your man. I'll do whatever you need. I cook, I wash, I clean. Even you completely free to love only me. Girl, guess I'm being selfish, but I just wanna keep it near. No lie, see your love is the greatest, and I gotta make it. I ain't afraid to say that. Look, your love is more precious than the Mona Lisa. Your love is more popular than Ebenezer. Your love is more amazing than the leading visa. And I do anything just to please you. Listen, I climb the highest mountain, bring back the realest diamond, a glass of the blue fountain, so you're forever standing. I know you think I'm playing, honestly, baby girl, I'm saying your love is so amazing, and I forever. Yes, I'm being selfish, I can't. No lie, see your love is the greatest, and I gotta make it clear. That's why I need your love, yeah. And I do anything for you, baby. 'Cause your love is the greatest, baby. You're the finest girl I've ever seen. You're the eye candy treating like magazine. Cute face, but your swag is so elegant. And you fly head to toe, side to side, no places in between. Girl, I know you play me, but you can't blame me. You're just that easy. For real, my girl, you're the greatest, and you keep it faded. That's why. I am Kcoey Williams, baby. If you want to follow me, just follow me on Instagram. I am King. That's I am_King forever. I'll let your boy, man. I am Kcoey Williams. Thank y'all for having me.
One of the biggest divas in the game right now come up. Give y'all a few words. Let her tell y'all what she does in the industry. Mama Fashion. Miss Sophia Davis. Give her a round of applause, y'all. Fashion Magazine. That's Mama Fashion. Come up and say a few things to the people, Miss Sophia. That's my Mama Fashion. I call her Mama Fashion. Queen Diva.
Thank you so much, Fred. And I want to thank Paul Levy for putting this together, Levy Paul for putting all of this together, this here show, and all the media and stuff that came out, the whole table of magazines here, Michelle, Andreen, and of course iFashion, and the others that are in here that I may not know about. I know Corey Rogers is here. We want to thank everyone for coming out and supporting this gentleman doing this, because a lot of times we say that there are things that are not in our community or events that are not happening. But if you don't support it, then it can't happen. It's just like our magazines, our Fashion Avenue News, we have Demo Show, we have iFashion as well, and soon UBM magazine. So the thing is, everyone needs support. So we want to thank you all for coming out today. And the magazine is meant for you. You are the people we put on our covers. The girls that are on these covers, these are not supermodels in the sense of, like, you know, what you see, oh, they're only at Fashion Week or they're untouchable. These are young ladies that may even be here in the audience. So these are the type of people we put on our covers. We put all sizes, ages, heights, and weight.
I call her Auntie Donna, which I know as Demo Michelle. Donna Michelle, come out please. Let's Demo Michelle.
Hello, everyone. Hello. Well, I'm so glad to be here. Thank you, Levy Paul, for inviting me. He is such a diva himself. I love him. He's a brother that is so real and love everyone. And so I'm always here and going to support him. He's always supporting me and Michelle in my fashion networking events that have been given throughout the summer. He has always been there to support me. Michelle's Fashion Magazine is for breast cancer survivors. It gives a lot of information about women that have gone through breast cancer, and it's very informative. I also feature a lot of designers. As you can see, Nova Moore is on our cover. I had a personal interview with her, and she is the most fabulous woman that you could ever meet at this point. She is an icon to me because I watched her as I was growing up, and the hairstyles, she changed up, that's how I am. I watched her from her being a child, watching her on TV. And our new magazine just came out featuring Levert. So for the 15th of this month, Levert is on our cover, and also Mikey J, if you've heard of him, 106 in Park, he is on our cover as well. So the magazine is really, it's growing. Like Sophia said, you know, you gotta start somewhere. I do models as well. I have a curvy model right here on, she's not top model, but she came to me and I was like, girl, let's work it, let's do it. You know, I'm ready to work with anybody. If you got it, if you got what it takes, if you got the confidence, come, let's do it. Sophia, myself, iFashion Magazine, my girlfriend Andrea, listen, we want the talent. Don't be afraid. It just starts somewhere. I want to give a big up to Nanette. She is one of my first beautiful models that walked my runway. Also did a beautiful photo shoot for Demo shows. I'm also a designer for breast cancer survivors. And she is amazing. The photographer here, Mr. Roy Crawford, iFashion Magazine. Beautiful pictures. My magazine, my brother, Michael Cox, is the editorial and the publisher of the Fashion Magazine. That is one of the best. I say that because he's my photographer. Okay, so he's one of the best photographers around. Thank you so much for giving me this time. Y'all have a blessed day. You can catch me at Facebook. I'm on Instagram, Demochelle, DMOCHELLE.com. That's where you can find me. Thank you so much. Support Breast Cancer Magazine. I appreciate you so much. God bless. Thank you, y'all.
So of course, give another round of applause, y'all. Yes.
One more beat for y'all.
Some of y'all know, some of y'all don't.
She's also one of the divas in the industry, Miss Andrea. Dream, Lady Doves, UBM, Curvy Models. You want to say hello? Give her a round of applause, y'all. The Curvy Diva Queen, Curvy Diva Queen, yes.
Hello everyone, my name is Andrea. I am the CEO of Unique Blend Models. We come in all shapes, sizes, and colors. And when we come together, we blend beautifully. That's what we're about. Twice a year, we hold our annual UBM Runway Lifestyle. And what it is, it teaches models everything from Model 101 to Runway. You know, building confidence, self-esteem. Sophia Davis right here is one of the coaches as well. We talk about styling. We talk about everything. You name it, it's in that workshop. The next one is March 17 and 18. And I'm also the director of the plus size division of Fashion Diary News Magazine. Starting January 2018, we're going to put some curvy divas on that magazine. You hear me? We're going to put some Swain up in there. Let them know size is only a number, baby. Yes. So get ready, all right? And Williams, Unique Blend Models. Remember this shape, remember this size. Boom.
Yeah, you better tell them, people. You better tell them, people.
Yes, I got one more person I want to bring up before we get the show started.
All of y'all should know him by now.
If you don't, you better get to know him. NYC, Mr. Dawn, Shooter Dawn, come up, please. Yes, real quick for me. Let the people know what you got going on. Oh yeah, this is my photographer.
How y'all doing? Everybody in here, I got love for everybody. Everybody in here, most of y'all know me. I just want to say I appreciate being part of this family. You know, Aussie boy. Yeah. But I appreciate being part of this family and everybody in it. Dave, go back, man. You got to get the whole crowd. Get close up on me, man. Oh, you want everybody on Facebook and see we live. You know what I'm saying? They got to see all this stuff that's going on. We live on 3, NYC Shoot-a-thon. 1, 2, 3. NYC Shoot-a-thon. March 30th, 31st, and April 1st of 2018. The largest photo shoot in the NYC Northeast section of the United States of America. 16 sets this time, y'all. 16 sets. And if anybody can top that, let them go ahead and try it. It's going to be the biggest photo shoot in the whole country. So I want everybody to know that everybody's invited. NYC Shoot-a-thon, baby.
Yes. So that's my photographer. I make sure y'all get this part. Yes. All the pictures y'all see on Facebook here, Dawn. Yeah, we about ready to start this show. Y'all ready for a dope heads battle show? Give a round of applause, y'all. Taz, you ready back there, brother? Yes, DJ, kick that music. I need y'all to slide over just a little bit, because they about to work, Let's make a little foot room, Photographers, make sure y'all get y'all spots. Let's make sure one more time, y'all good? Yeah. Make sure y'all good. Yeah. Make sure y'all get this around. All right, y'all. We about to shut it down. Y'all ready back here, models? Yes. DJ, kick that music.
Don't run into the forest, you can't catch me. No, Happy, not the woods. Girl, this is great. Let's get out of here. Something's not right. Girls, stop being scared. It's okay. They're my friends. I just peed on myself, Happy. Let's go.
Who goes there? In my forest.
It's me. Come out and play, please. Girl, I'm out. Bye.
Who goes there?
It's Tammy. Someone help us. Oh my God. Girl, be quiet. It's okay. I got you.
Who goes there?
Give it up, give it up, give it up!
Shorty was playing kinda hard, but when she look at mommy picture, it feeling good to the guy. She hit me off in the crib and hit me off in the yard. My mom right, keeping it locked with a half these other bras.
I know that I made you wait for a very long time, 'cause I wasn't ready, baby, for you to come inside. I wanted you to know my name, and I just was between my thighs. I wanted you to play the game, because I knew you'd get the prize.
Sapphire.
Mannequins, get ready.
Poison.
I'ma start it from the bottom. Show you how to flip a dollar. I got food in my dining room. I'm better, I'm better, I'm better. It's another day, another chance. I wake up, I wanna dance. So as long as I got my friends, I'm better, I'm better, I'm better.
He say I'm hot, I'm so critical. Pull up on him in my vehicle. He said I'm pretty, you must be from Belizean, must be from Mexico. Roll up on him in my Latin book. Jump out like, yeah, bro. You need a chick like me to make you wanna leave them other birds, you know, nail. Yeah, he got those in the bando. Missy got those in Orlando. Plus I got cause it depends. Man, I be doing the hand. How much would I do when I get up on you? Papi Pedro in my room and zoom in the print. He watching my body like he watching Scandal. But I'm just I love you.
was amazing. Whatever. Scary queen. Scary queen. Scary queen.
Give it up, give it up, give it up, give it up, give it up. Give it up to these models. Give it up, you can do better than that. Come on, give these models a round. What's going on, everybody? What's going on? How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Please give it up to these young ladies. This is the first time a lot of them did a hair show whatsoever and everything like that. I want to say I'm proud of y'all. How everybody doing? How is everybody doing? Look at all, you're so fabulous. You're so fabulous. The thing I want y'all to understand right about now, being in this industry for the past 24 years, I'm big on branding, marketing, and advertising everybody's brand the right way. We've been working on the Sexy Curvy Divas. Where are my sexy divas at? Stand up. Oh, yeah. We've been working with these sexy curvy divas from the age of 25. Where my DJ? She's a diva too. Come out here, Miss Diva. You know, she's a diva too. There's a total of 16 divas that we actually have that's a part of this particular year. She's a DJ and she's what? What else do you do? Model, general manager, and basically she's one of the NYC Sexy Curvy Divas. And basically we've been promoting these divas for the, since September, but we wanted to do something special to introduce them. So tonight was a holiday, you know what I'm saying, extravaganza to introduce who they are, and they was teamed up with the UDE family. So marketing and advertising yourself on social media, now people come to see you live doing a hair show. I haven't did a hair show in 10 years when I met Warner Brothers. You did a very great job tonight, you know what I'm saying? You know exactly what is production. My company is actually based on a production company because as a young entrepreneur myself, I started in this industry as a hip-hop dancer. So the biggest thing I ever did was the movie You Got Served. You know what I'm saying? From You Got Served, and I started working for Paul Mitchell. So I was a platform hairstylist for Paul Mitchell. Then they introduced me to the fashion industry when I got the opportunity to basically to work with Alexander McQueen, Jean-Paul Gaultier, Yves Saint Laurent. You know what I'm saying? From the street of Brooklyn and Queens, going out there, I soaked up all the energies. Divas, you can sit there. You know what I'm saying? I soaked up all the energy that I could possibly have brought into my black neighborhood in 1993. So in 1993, I started my company, which was called UDE, Ultimate Dream Entertainment. God blessed me with so many different talent, so I had to make a company behind me. And the thing is, when I started my company, I've learned from the best. The thing is, when it comes to our kind, hey, you have to invest. It is, you know what I'm saying, I'm not an easy person, I'm very militant. Play no games, you know what I'm saying? So you have to respect your brand. How many brands is that's actually here right now? Please stand up. Stand up if you are a brand. Stand up, photographers. You are black, you are powerful. You need to make some goddamn noise up in here. You are a brand. You are a brand. Thank you, have a blessed. Sit down. It's good to see that, but at the end of the day, this is why I want to do something exclusive. And basically, Sophia Davis and Billy Blunt did an exclusive VIP press party November the 18th. I went home, I cried. I haven't seen that in the black community going on 16 years. That was a powerful day acknowledging other black individuals that's making it big. It's more than TV. Because the TV come into the underground industry that take all this talent out. You are powerful. Ethan that owns this particular spot, black owner, powerful. You know what I'm saying? So you have to learn how to support that. These ladies, I've been actually working with KayNichole for a while. Miss Kiki, you know what I'm saying? She's actually new, 16 in school. He's actually an athlete, football player. And basically, this is the first time ever doing anything Runway. So I'm like, you have to give me something strong. You know what I'm saying? Miss Precise, you know, she's been doing this stuff for a while. Matt, he actually have a look, is an amazing look, you know what I'm saying? So I want to do something totally different to bring about, but the hair show, it is what it is, but he did a good job, you know? My face model, Miss Tonni Young, I've been working with her for like a year. She's been amazing. Miss Tracy, Miss Tracy, stand up. You know what I'm saying? This is actually her sister, a representative for Mary Kay. Raz, representative for Mary Kay. You have a designer here. She's more than a model, Miss Erika. She's actually a designer. You know what I'm saying? Miss Tammy. You know, a young mother, but I've been working with her for the past year, developing this skill, and I've been messing this girl here, name for the past year. What's your name, boo? Azurde. I'm messing everybody's name. Azurde, when I was came from down south, I started working with her from Miss Nanette, you know what I'm saying, introduced me to her, and just seeing her development within the past year and a half is beyond. Thank you so much for being my mannequin. And Miss Precise, I started with her like a year and a half ago. I call out the last minute and be like, boo, I need your help. Thank you for coming out. Some of the artists that we actually have here tonight are some amazing artists. What goes on social media, support. Just come out. If you know somebody's coming, you know, so the ticket's $20, put $2 aside. Until that month comes, pay. Just come out to see exactly what is actually going on within our community. Because right now, you'll just sit and look at these, how you call it, reality shows and laugh and basically put comments. So come out the house and see exactly what we're doing. You understand? It's something that's very big. It makes you understand that. Miss Rita, I've been working with Miss Rita for the past 3 years. From Miss Vidette. Kcoey Rogers. Stand up, Mr. Kcoey Rogers. I respect this man's design, the fashion, and the legacy he is basically behind it. Elite Stylist magazine is our highest sponsor for this project. Stand up. The thing I like about her magazine dropped, I think 3 months ago. The thing that caught my attention to her magazine, I didn't know any of the models. And I was like, wow, where did you get some of your models? She like ties up and scouting for a while. You know what I'm saying? And the thing I have to let your models know, you have to really learn how to reinvent yourself. Because at the end of the day, it's not that these magazines don't want to reuse you, but at the same time, you have to elevate yourself, upgrade. You know what I'm saying? Change your look. This industry is a hard industry. There's nothing easy about it. What we go through a lot. You know what I'm saying? It's a lot. But thank you. Go in the back, enjoy yourself. Thank you. Clap. Project 65, stand up Project 65. Fluid life, you know, please. She's actually, she have a cable show that's going to be coming on for the LGBTQE. You be saying it all the time. Miss Donna, very great friend of Miss Kelly, very great friend of mine for the past 15 years. And basically, I'm happy I came across her because for the past 2 years, I know a lot of my peers saw me losing weight. I was so stressed out. I went from 290 to 165. She brought my energy back to a different degree of be like, this is not you, my brother. You need to like elevate yourself, get yourself together. So my weight been getting back. The Divas, you restored my life. This show was not supposed to happen when it came to the NYC Sexy Curvy Divas. It was a good friend of mine. He's been asking me to do something for the full figure circuit for the past 6 years. I'm like, that's not my circle. I got me some girls that's full figure, but that's not my circle at all. Then he came in June and said, Taz, you must do something for the full figure circuit. And I was like, why? He was like, well, you know, I've been supporting you for the past 10 years. My wife and my mother-in-law, I'm like, where is your mother-in-law? I haven't seen her for the past 8 years. She's like, she's 600 pounds and she had full-blown cancer. So I had to, basically, these ladies is living the legacy of somebody else's, you know what I'm saying? Somebody else's life, because she used to model, she used to be an entrepreneur, she used to actually do that. So a lot of, from September to now, we actually had over 67 calls when it came for the Divas. They have to call, we have to interview them, then they come to our casting. So we only have 15 out of 65. We're not rushing. You know what I'm saying? It's something that's changing somebody's life. We actually have full trainers that's going to be helping with these. We have motivation speakers. We have life coach. Basically, this is actually, I'm actually working with Mr. Andre. We'll say what's up. He's one of my cameramen that's a part of this project. I've been working with this man since February. He's a talented individual when it comes to, you know what I'm saying, film, flyers, and things of that nature. But I'm not going to keep you long. I want you to basically enjoy yourself. Look at the show, some amazing talent that's actually here, then take the time to network with one another. Huh? February the 16th is like, you know what I'm saying, this is really special for me because at the end of the day, basically being a part of the underground scene has been the past 24 years. I'm 43. I started this industry since I was, 14. So when I came out, it was on a different side of the planet, you know what I'm saying? But at the same time, being honored by Miss Sophia Davis, February the 16th is a free event. Really blessed to actually be there. So I definitely want you to come out. We're going to be doing a special dance scene, but I'm doing a big tribute to my one and only Sade. I love Sade and I love Anita Rivers, you know? So we're going to be doing a big tribute compared to them, all right? So I want you to enjoy yourself with, there you go. Ready? Thank you. Thank you so much, everybody. Let me throw it out over there. Give my boy Taz a round of applause. He's going to come out my so that's why I'm just doing it. Cover that one, thank you. Well, we got the next designer coming out. First and foremost, get all these models ready for me. I didn't even see these costumes until today. It's one thing to work with an individual and say, do you? And she's like, bring my characters to life. I've been working with this lady, wanted to work with her ever since last year, and I just saw one gown that she did. I could not stop looking at this gown with the detail of the gown. Be like, yo, she's a designer. It only take one for me. I'm like, she's a designer. I want to say thank you. And I love you so much. I don't use the word love, but I love you so much for taking the time of helping putting things together. February 11th, you must come to her press release for Fashion Week. We're going to be doing something big. It's called the Mannequins Come to Life.
Okay, so I'll make this really quick. I go by the name of Prince Smith. Prince Smith is my name. I'm actually going to give you guys my Instagram and all that info now. Instagram is Prince Smith Official. So if you just look up on Instagram, by the time of social video, Prince Smith Official. All right, so really quick. Usually I do serenade, but I want to do something different. All right. So we have any Caribbeans in the house?
Yes.
Of
course.
Okay. Okay. Oh, wait, okay. Oh, everywhere. All right. So. All right, so the sun being me, let me tell you. All right. My family is, of course, I represent Jamaica on my father's side, but I'm also from a place called Montserrat. Anytime that I say I'm from Montserrat, everyone's like, "What's that?" They don't understand. You know, when I say Montserrat is a volcano island that's near Antigua and Barbuda right? Bermuda. I actually just went there last year. Beautiful place. So, I got inspired. I was like, might as well write a song about it, right? DJ, play this up. One time. Hey, hey, hey. Everybody put your hands up in the... Listen, if you want to dance, clap your hands, all type of stuff you want to do, alright? So, when people ask me where I'm from, I say Montserrat, but I just tell them one thing, alright? See what I feel doing? I'm a different kind of breed, baby. If you don't know by now, hey, you don't know by now. Hey, I'm a different kind of breed, yeah. If you don't know by now, hey, you should know by now. Represent the Montserrat. Every time I see her, she say, what's that? Lord, how many this one that? Then take out your phone up and play a Snapchat. Snapchat, yeah, mistake tracks. I'm trying to run away like a racetrack. Lad, tell me if you like that. Hey, don't say you like that. But love the way she whine and how she dancing all of me. The way she move her body like she never skips a beat. She loves the way I dance. She say it make her feel complete. She asks me where I'm from and I just look at she. But say, I got a big kind of breed. Yeah, is that easy, baby? Sing it, baby. Come on, Korea. I got a big kind of breed. Yeah. If you don't know by now, hey, you should know by now. how she dancing all on me. The way she move her body's like she never skips a beat. She loves the way I dance. She asks me where I from and sing it. I love the big man.
So we asked them to pose and give themselves a selfie, no makeup. It's called the Natural Woman Challenge. And today we would like to present the individual, the young lady that actually won the Natural Woman Challenge. All they had to do was just give a little bio of why they think they are a natural woman. And the winner of that challenge is actually Tish Hicks. I'm just going to ask Tish one time before we present her with anything to take her diva walk.
Say that runway, do that runway. Attitude, 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 attitude. Miss Silver Fox, where you at? 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 That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Attitude, 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 attitude. Walk that runway, serve that runway. Attitude, attitude, attitude. Pump that, pump that, pump that, pump that. Attitude, attitude, attitude. Run that runway, on that runway. Miss doing that girl, Miss doing that girl. Zelema, serve, 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 serve. Yes. Yes. Runway walk. Runway serve. Bring that attitude out. Serve that attitude out. Lima, 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 lima. Lima, 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 lima. Serve that runway. Yes. Miss Roy? Renee. Miss Renee, another diva. Yes, 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 yes. So. Attitude. Attitude. Yes. Serve. All right, you trying to be fancy. Give me that attitude. Give me that runway, Miss Joy. Take your time, diva. Take your time, diva. Walk that runway. Serve that runway. Attitude, attitude, attitude. Pump that runway. That's how you do it. Let me see what you got, Miss Coretta. They say you can walk, they say you can walk, they say you can walk, they say you can walk. It's attitude. It's attitude. It's runway, runway. Give me that runway. Ready, 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 ready. Witch doctor. Witch doctor. Witch doctor. So good. So good. Yes, yes. Yes, yes. Now Naomi. Now Naomi. Rock that runway. Serve that runway. That runway. Serve that runway. With that attitude. Yes, Naomi. Yes, Naomi. The original diva, Miss Andreen. The original diva, Miss Andreen. The original diva, Miss Andreen. Diva, 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 diva. Diva, 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 diva. Miss Andreen. The original diva. Curvy girl diva. Attitude diva. Kiss up work diva. We talking runway, runway. We talking service, service. We talking attitude, attitude. Diva, diva, diva. Miss Andreen. Miss Andreen. Give me that pose. Give me that pose. Give me that pose. Give me that pose. Guys, attitude. Guys, attitude. Yes, 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 yes. The diva goddess for real. The diva goddess for real. Miss Andreen. UBM. Miss Andreen. UBM. Thank you, boo. Guys, give me a round of applause. Give me a round of applause. All right. Coming next to the stage, we have another amazing hairstylist. Yes, we got another hairstylist, Miss Kcoey. Excuse me. Kcoey. Y'all ready? Here they come. Yes. Next hairstylist is Kcoey. She's about to shut it down for y'all one time. Give her a round of applause, y'all. Give these models a round of applause, y'all. These curvy divas, UBM models, they are killing it tonight. I did say UBM. Yes. You better walk. Yes. You better work. Okay. These models are out of applause, y'all. Give them some love, y'all. Yes. They killing it. Yes. You better work. You better work. Yes. Let's go. Okay. Sade. Okay. Sade. You better. You better. You better. Work. Work. Yes. Work. Yes. Yes. Show these models some love, y'all. Yes. Yes. You better work, work, work. You better work, work, work. Yes. Okay, Daisy. Okay, Daisy. Okay, Daisy. Yes. 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 Slay time. Slay time. Slay time. One time. Slay time. You better work. You better work. Stay cold. Go to your style. Take over your style. Take over your style. Let's go. Okay. Okay. You better work, diva. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Cobra style. Yeah. Cobra style. You better work. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You still better work. You still better work. Yes. 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 Real model. Keep moving. Yes. Go deeper. Yes. Okay. There goes. Yeah. Down. Yes. 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 You better work.
Yes. Queen Cobra. Yes. And now, the hairstylist, Kcoey. Give a round of applause, y'all. You better walk, girl. You better walk. You better walk. You better walk. Yes. Give a round of applause, y'all. Show us some love. We did all this today. We did all this today. Yes. All this today. Yes. That takes skills, time, patience. All her hard work. Yeah, show us some love, y'all. Kcoey, hairstyle. Yes. Yes. Don't go nowhere, Diva. Yes. Black Rose.
Turn up.
Everybody. What's up? How y'all doing? Make some noise. How y'all feeling?
Yeah.
Some beautiful black people in here. I want to thank everybody for coming out. We all know it's kind of chaotic on the other side of these doors, so I feel good to be able to come together, you know, enjoy some entertainment, enjoy some food, you know, just vibe out. This is my partner right here, Young God Boy King on Cartel. Unfortunately, we got one microphone, but we're going to make it do what it do with this one mic, you heard?
Yeah.
Naomi, whenever you're ready.
Let's get it.
Let's go. It's for my ladies, it's for the models. Yeah, that chick is bad, bad. Yeah, she bad, bad. Yeah, that chick is bad, bad. Yeah, she bad, bad. Little cutie with a body. Foreign and exotic, presidential at the Ritz. I told her, meet me in the lobby. Lobby, that chick is bad, bad. She bad, bad. Yeah, bad. A little cutie with a body. Foreign and exotic, presidential at the Ritz. I told her, meet me in the lobby. Lobby, Shorty Nikki cute, and Serena Stacks. She look naked good, and got Beyonce swag. She bad, bad, yeah, she bad, bad. Yeah, that chick is bad, bad, yeah, she bad, bad. Yeah, that chick is bad. Shorty Nikki cute, and Serena Stacks. She look making good, and got Beyonce swag. She bad, bad, yeah, she bad, bad. Yeah, that chick is bad, bad, yeah, she bad, bad. I said she's super B.A.B., that's what she gotta be. You know I'm talking me on top of, and you on top of me. Shorty, she bad, she bad, she bad, she bad. I'm talking super B.A.B., that's what she gotta be. You know I'm talking me on top of you, and you on top of me. Shorty, she bad, she bad, yeah, she bad, yeah, she bad. Whoa, whoa. Yeah. Yeah. That's that bad right there, so we're gonna get into this next one right here. Make some noise for yourself, beautiful black people. Yeah. We gotta take over. Yeah. Shout out to my manager, she's the best manager in the world, Kia right here. Make some noise. Yeah. This one right here is called Take Off. Take off. Take off. Look, yeah, you know how it go. Everything you need on me, and that's just how I roll. Ain't no limit to this money, girl, this where you wanna be. When you're looking at me, baby, tell me what you see. Girl, you